Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I will show you guys, if you are seeing many shorts on YouTube Shorts or maybe on TikTok, there are several content creators that make that animating maps like this, and it's very engaging, I think. Okay, like this one, it circles some area on something on particular country, and then it has the own flag, and then it has the animation, the arrow, the emoticon, and so and so and so. If you think that this animation they make it from scratch, it doesn't. Okay, okay, it doesn't make it from scratch. Okay, they don't make it from scratch. Actually, there is a app to creating the animation like this. One of those are Animate My Map. So if you want to try to make a short or TikTok videos like engaging geographic like that, you can go to animatemymap.com. Okay, animatemymap.com, and then I will show you the demo. Okay, this is the demo, and then for instance, I will launch interactive demo, and then I will search for my country. I'm from Indonesia, by the way, like this one, Indonesia, and then I will move from Indonesia into like say into the Spain maybe. Okay, to Spain, and then I can add animation. Move again to like to UK maybe. Okay, let's say I choose UK. Oh no, this one. Which one? This one. Oh god. Oh, sorry. This one, UK. Okay, and then I can switch top down and fly to, and then I can play. See Indonesia, and then we'll go to the Spain. Oh, really good, right? And then go to the United Kingdom. It's really engaging. So instead of you coming back and forth to your Google Maps or Google Earth, you can search Animate My Map, one of the animation of maps, and unfortunately it's not free, it's not totally free. You can see there is a pricing around here, and then I think it's really helpful if you want to make money from short or TikTok using that geographic engaging videos. So that's it, this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.